Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Talk and Tips. In this competitive universe of artificial intelligence, today the spotlight is on Odin AI. I am Adarsh and I am excited to guide you through the remarkable feature and benefits that distinguish Odin AI in today's digital landscape. Let's dive into the illuminating journey. I have already posted a video covering ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. If you would like to watch it, you can find the link in the description below. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you find the video informative and enjoyable, hit the like button. Let's start the session. To use Odin AI, just search for Odin AI on Google. So the first link will be Odin AI Enterprise Productivity for every use case. Just click the link, or you can directly go to getodin.ai. Now it will ask you to sign up with your email. So you can just sign up, or you can create a new account for Odin. Once you sign into the Odin, you will get this interface. Here I'm not going to cover all the features available. Let me introduce some basic feature of Odin AI. First feature is chat feature in Odin. In this place where you can interact with model, ask question by giving your input message as a prompt here. So this is the area where you can input your message and you can get the response based on your input question. Second feature is agents. Agents are cool new feature that gives you lot of power to customize your Odin AI chatbot. You can decide exactly how it responds, what information it can use, and even choose the brain behind it. It's like having a super flexible tool that lets you not only control how Odin talks but also shape its intelligence. This flexibility makes sure Odin suits your needs perfectly. It means if you want Odin to use for document summarization, so you can separately design one agent that will give the output based on your rules or based on your agent how you have designed before. So this is how Odin is going to work. Next option is knowledge base in Odin. In Odin, the knowledge base is like central hub where you can put and organize all kind of files. For example, you can upload PDF, you can upload MP4, docs, HTML, JSON, XML, text file, and even CSV file. So these are the file types you can upload over Odin, and also you can upload the link of the website so that it will read the particular web page and it will give you the information. So these are the few things what I'm going to cover in this video: chat, agent, and knowledge base. So let's understand all these things with an example. So let's create one agent and we'll try to understand the flow. So first click on the agent. Here on agent window, you will find a few agents. Default agent are already there. That is Odin Google Search Agent, Odin KB Agent, Odin Simple Agent, Odin Classification Agent, and Odin Image Generation Agent. If you want to create your own agent, so you can just click on the create custom. So here you will find rules or information what need to be filled before creating the agent. Here first you can write your agents. So for example, I want to create one agent to get the information from the web page. So here I'll write the agent name first. So here I'll give the agent name as web crawler. Alright. So second option is personality. So personality is something you can ask the Odin to act like this personality to give the information. Act like a web crawler and analyze the content of the website provided in the knowledge base and extract a concise summary on the specified topic. So this is the personality which I have given. Next, AI model. So here you can just go with AI model GPT 3.5 only for basic summary and all. Next is knowledge base. So initially has given like include all resource in the knowledge base. I'll show you how you can select your knowledge base later. Second, you can add another information also. So here I'm just going to add rules. So rule is now added. I'll click on the rule and I'll define rule one by one. First rule which I'm going to define is, so here I'll say always answer with so other. Here is your information. So whatever information I will ask to Odin, it will first say so others, here is your information. So this is the first rule I have given. Second rule I'm going to give is about the information. So whatever information it will give, so the extracted information should be presented in bullet points. So whatever information Odin is going to give as a output, that should be written in bullet points. Alright, so I'm just going to define another rule. Whatever information I'm going to ask, if that information has date, so it will give the month and date for particular information. For example, include date and year detail if available. So it will include the date and year information. Next rule I'm going to say, provide me name of the inventor or scientist if mentioned and associated company name. So for any information, if inventor name is available and scientist name is there, so it will include the scientist name, inventor name and the associated company name. So these are the rules which I have specified. These are the 4 rules. Based on this rule, Odin is going to give the response. So what I have given, first I have given the personality, second AI model I have selected GPT 3.5, third knowledge base which I'll show you later, and another one is rule. So I have given the 4 rule here. Based on these rules, Odin is going to give the response. So let's click on save agent. So now this agent is saving. Alright, so this agent is now saved. So once you click on the agent, you will see under custom agent you have one tab called web crawler. This is the agent which just we create. Alright, this is the section of default agent. So here we will find all the default agents that Odin has already given. Now let's move to the knowledge base. So this is the tab where knowledge base needs to be updated. I'm going to give one website links. So that website link needs to be referred while extracting the information. Alright, so here you will see 2 tabs, crawl website. So if you want to give the website link, you can just click on the crawl website, or if you want to give the documents, any documents like PDF, Word, CSV, text, HTML, JSON, so you can click on the add here. It will ask you to drag and drop upload file or add resource. By using this option, this feature, you can upload your document and you can interact with that document. You can say chat with particular document, or here you can add the URL. So I have added the URL, add resource. So this URL is now added in the knowledge base. Now I'll try to add another document. I'll just click add, drag and drop one file here. Now I will try to add one file here. I'll go to the desktop. I have one file. This is PDF file. File name is GenAI. So I'll just drag and drop this file to this window here. So this file will get uploaded in the knowledge base. So for now I have 2 knowledge base. First one is the document, that is PDF file, and second one is the website link. So I'll show you these 2 examples how we can select the knowledge base and we'll get the information from the website or from the given document. Now you can see the green tick against this PDF document. It seems this PDF document is also uploaded on the knowledge base. Let's go to the chat section and write some prompt here or ask some information from the generative AI. So first of all, I'll just give one input message as tell me about Microsoft Windows operating system. So this is the input information which I'm providing in chat window, and we have to select the agent here. So below the chat window you will see agent. So just click on the agent and select the custom agent, whatever agent you have created, or whatever agents, if you have created multiple agents, so you can select any one of them which you need for this particular use case. So select the agent here. Now you can see agent is web crawler. So this is just the agent name. Alright, next select the knowledge base. Just select document tab is there, click on the select specific docs in knowledge base, go to the document and select the web link, hit continue. So now you have to make sure 2 things, the correct agent is selected and correct document type is selected. Now once whatever information you want, you can just give the input here, and based on the rule defined before under agent section, it will give you the output. So just hit enter here. So now it will read the document, and based on the web crawler agent, it will give you the output. So let's see, I have given so others. Here is your information. Microsoft Windows operating system was created by Bill Gates and associated company is Microsoft. I have asked the agent to extract the name and company name as well. The first version of Windows was released on November 20, 1985. So this is giving the date and year also, which I have already specified while defining the rule. Whatever rule we have given. So let's cross verify the rule here. So just go to the agent, edit agent. Then rule. So first rule is always answer with so others, here is your information. So this is answering by my name. The second option is the extracted information should be presented in bullet points. This is giving bulletin points. Include date and year detail if available. It is giving the date and year information. Provide the name of inventor or scientist if mentioned and associated company name. It is giving the company name. Whatever information I was looking for, it has given all the information based on the rule I have decided. Let's check for another example. I'm just giving another input information. Give me the information about the IBM personal computer. So let's see what it says. So it will look into this website itself. It will not go beyond the website because I have selected the knowledge base specifically. So others, here is your information. The IBM personal computer was created by IBM. The IBM personal computer was first introduced on August 12, 1981. Now let's change the agent. So I'll go to the agent and I'll just select the documents, GenAI PDF. I have selected the GenAI PDF. Now I'll ask for another question. What is GenerativeAI application? So it will read the documents genai.pdf, and based on the web crawler agent rules, it will provide the information. Just hit enter. It will look into the document and it will provide the information. So let's see. So others, here is your information, and it has given the information in bulletin points. So this is it for today's video. If you like the content, hit like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.